Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, power windows, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.